If you are completely new to online advertising and want to target customers in a specific area, this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to geofence inside Google Ads. Geofencing simply means showing your ads only to people within a selected location, such as a city, neighborhood, or even a small radius around your business. This helps you avoid wasting money on people who are not relevant to your offer. First, open your browser. Go to ads.google.com and sign in to your account. Once you land on the dashboard, click on New Campaign. You will be asked to choose a goal, like website traffic, leads, or sales. If you are a beginner, you can choose website traffic to keep things simple. Next, select your campaign type, usually search or display. After that, you will reach the campaign settings page, which is where the main geofencing setup happens. Now look for the Locations section. By default, Google may select your entire country, which is not ideal if you want precise targeting. Click on Enter Another Location and type the name of the city or area you want to target. For more precise control, click on Advanced Search. Inside this option, choose Radius Targeting. Here, you can enter a specific address and then set a distance, like 1 kilometer, 3 kilometers, or 10 kilometers, depending on your business reach. This creates a virtual boundary around that location, which is your geofence. You can add multiple radius areas if you want to cover more locations. Next, pay close attention to Location Options. Choose the setting that says people in or regularly in your targeted locations. This ensures your ads are shown only to users physically present in that area, not just those who showed interest in it online. This step is very important for accurate targeting. You can also exclude unwanted areas by switching to the Excluded tab and adding those locations. After completing the geofencing setup, continue with your campaign by setting a daily budget, selecting keywords, and writing your ad copy. Before publishing, review everything carefully. Once your campaign is live, monitor performance regularly. If you notice that certain areas are not performing well, you can reduce the radius or exclude them. If some areas perform better, you can increase budget or expand the radius slightly. In short, geofencing in Google Ads is about choosing the right location, using radius targeting effectively, and continuously optimizing for better results. This allows you to reach the right people at the right place while saving your budget. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this.